क्या आमचे फोटो बरे आले या
this evening and hope you see you at the festival and the award show. Thank you. Thank you everybody.
हाय, नम्रता दुबे फ्रॉम इंडिया टीवी। कुणाल, मेरा सवाल आपसे है, क्या वो दौर इंडस्ट्री में आ चुका है कि लोग ऑडिशन सामने आकर देने के बजाय
देखिए व्हाट आई वाज एक्सपेक्टिंग इज जैसे और प्लेटफॉर्म्स पे होता है कि किसी साउंड ट्रैक पे या किसी पे लोग आएंगे, कुछ नाचेंगे, गाएंगे, कुछ डायलॉगबाजी होगा। I was expecting that, but I was very surprised, pleasantly surprised to see them actually create content, and not just in one genre. बहुत genres, across genres they created different content. And people even composed music. People composed music. They had thrillers, they had romance, they had drama, they had tragedy, they had every kind of content that you could think of was created.
वो भी 1 मिनट।
वो भी 1 मिनट। That is the beauty of it. And it is तो पहले क्या हुआ, पहले सिनेमा था, फिर सिनेमा के बाद वीडियो, फिर डीवीडी, ये वो, फिर अभी यूट्यूब, फिर और अदर प्लेटफॉर्म्स पे छोटी छोटी जो चीज़ें होती हैं, क्विक वीडियो। बट वो सब इतना कंटेंट क्रिएशन नहीं था जितना मजाक था कि प्लेबैक करो, कॉपी करो। ये एक्चुअल क्रिएशन है। सो दैट इज व्हाट इज एक्साइटिंग अबाउट जोश, कि जोश ने सबकी में जोश दिया लोगों को कि कुछ बनाओ। Jflix has given that जोश to people कि चलो कुछ बनाते हैं, और एक मौका मिल गया है सबको कुछ करने का। And the beauty is, you know, when we were starting out, when Vivek was starting out, when I was starting out, we had to showcase our talent in a different way. There's a very famous story that when Vivek was starting out, he wanted the role, so he dressed up like that and went to Ragopal Verma's office. Okay, but today, if Vivek was starting out, he didn't need to do that. He would just need to make his own film and send it. That's what today's Vivek Oberoi will do.
Yeah.
You know, and today someone like me who's starting out will not have to say कि चलो पहले मैं टीवी शो बनाता हूँ, फिर you know मैं म्यूजिक वीडियो बनाता हूँ, फिर शायद कोई मौका देगा मुझे। अभी मौका इधर है, जेब में है, and जोश के पास है। So that's the beauty of this format. That's the beauty of this, that talent हर जगह से आए। So it is much more than a reality show. It is much more than apps जहाँ पर आप बस playback कर रहे हो. It is actual content creation. I would say it's the democratization of content creation.
It's so amazing that after so many years.
बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन है आपका, क्योंकि ये हो रहा है।
अच्छा,
अभी लोग वेट नहीं कर रहे कि कोई मुझे बुलाएगा ऑडिशन के लिए,
जी।
अपने आप ही शूट करके भेज देते।
अच्छा,
तो I mean it's not very, I mean you can't say no to it. अब आ गया आपके फोन पे, आप क्या करोगे? आपको देखना पड़ेगा, कुछ अच्छा लग गया तो किस्मत उसकी। But yeah, ये तो हो रहा है, and then this is the best way to do an audition also, to enter into competitions like Jflix.
जी जी।
So this is one more way. But yeah, but this is happening, and it's wonderful. It's wonderful.
या, थैंक यू।
People don't have time or they're traveling, तो कहीं पर भी आप देख सकते हो, कॉलेज जाते हुए, कॉलेज से आते हुए, ऑफिस जाते हुए, कहीं पर भी बैठ के you can see a short format. So I think short format is going to be very interesting and going to change the game for lots of people, which is good. There always needs to be things which are called as disruptors. Disruptors make the game. They don't just change the game, they make the game. So exciting times for everybody.
Thank you gentlemen. I couldn't have said that better. Give us all a little color as to what we can expect for the evening and the night.
So first of all, I just want to say thank you guys, for coming, for being part of this experience that we are super excited to sort of present. It's the first of its kind, an innovative format, because world over, if you see, vertical video में short format नहीं होता. There's no festival like this. So Jflix is the first of its kind, innovative format that we've sort of brought, to give josh to our creators, and our creators to adopt a format that we are hoping is going to disrupt the way short video is even created today. So today we thought, okay, you know what are we going to get? And actually it was something that we were experimenting on to think that, what people will actually submit to us. But what we saw was incredible. 50,000 video entries submitted in a 1 week period. 2 billion views on those video entries with people voting was not something that we even anticipated. So if you even head to the app and see the JFlix banners, you will see the kind of content and the type of people that have created this content. And JFlix as a festival is testimony to the fact that creators today are experienced, they have knowledge of what content is all about. They can create it in 1 minute. From where we come from, content was created in a manner where it takes us like 6 months to create a TV show. We mount like huge cameras, do all of that. Today, it's literally on your mobile phone. People can pick up, they create it on their phone, they edit it on their phone, and that's thrilling to us because this JFlix is actually proof of what we were expecting in terms of talent that is all around the country, and they just need a platform, and that's what JFlix is seeking to do. And hopefully many seasons of this. This is the first one, but many to be coming up now. And we're really excited to see what all people have entered today. You'll see it at the at the awards itself. The experience when you actually go around the venue, you'll see our Juice booth, which is our fashion magazine. You'll see the All Stars booth that has all the creators there, creating collab videos, creating little short pieces of content. You'll see another booth called Josh Cam, which is actually a technological advancement from Josh. An editing app that is far ahead of any of the editing apps, and actually most of these movies have been edited on Josh Cam, which is super exciting for us. And of course then you'll see the entire award stage and what we've done with it, and how we want to make our creators feel really special and really loved for the passion at which they bring to JFlix with their content. So I really welcome you all, and I hope you guys will stay to see the entire awards and see what we've done, to see what the creators have created. And it's really incredible to see the talent in India today. So as Josh, we are just super excited to have hosted this festival and be a first mover in the space of short film festival for the 1 minute vertical video format.
Thanks.
How that thought came up?
Honestly, my brain has a lot of activity in it, which is racing, but looking at the creators and the type of content that they were creating on the app, when we actually browse the app and look at what the creators are doing today, it was a feeling I had that, these people can make fantastic narrative shorts without a problem, and the way they're doing it on their phones, you've seen the kind of effects and all they're using today, right? It's quite exciting and thrilling to see, even in video, it'll take us hours just to render it, So when you see that on the app and say, wow, they're doing such an incredible job, I felt like we have the market, we have the talent, and nobody has done, why haven't they done a 1 minute short video kind of festival with awards, So for me, that was a first thought of when you look at, all different awards going, you have short film awards, 10-12 minutes, you have filmmakers coming in. In vertical video, there was nothing in the space. And also vertical video has come in kind of in a new way, and it's accelerated very rapidly. So I actually wanted to be a first mover in that zone, and I felt like Josh should be up front because the type of creators we have are also India's best creators. And that's why I felt this actually would have good results for us.
Thank you so much.
I think it's a great platform for everyone, but the most important part is there were a lot of people, they were jobless, the youth, and they had so there were a lot of people, they were looking for jobs, the youth especially, and now I see everyone, at least besides the fact that you get famous and you get popularity and everything else, but your kitchen is running. Most of them are getting endorsements and everything else. If you see, it has become like a job, like a business now. It's not only about followers or, so I think it's very, very, it's a big thing. I think it's very good.
It is. On that thought, Seher.
The All Body fans रहे of the TV show also, right? क्या scene है?
Yes.
And आज भी the tagline when I'm hosting is JFlix क्या scene है?
Netflix क्या scene है?
So it's amazing यार. अभी उसमें तो एक पूरी फिल्म के एक सीन को निकाल के आप डाइसेक्ट करते थे. अब तो पूरी फिल्म 1 मिनट में आ गई.
पूरी फिल्म 1 मिनट में आ गई.
और आपको क्या सीन है करके देखना पड़ता है.
और and the fun is with a short
Directly here or into. Yes. Is this good for everybody?
Yeah.
Yes.
Well, it's been amazing. This whole first JFlix festival seems like we're all a little part of history being made. User-generated content started globally very successfully with YouTube, and then आज जो छोटे format में अपने phone पे shoot करके जिस तरह से जोश के ऊपर participation है, the numbers are astounding है. मतलब you're talking about 125 million MAUs, monthly active users, and that's a big number. 12.5 crore लोग आपका इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं app on a monthly basis and are putting content or watching content. That kind of reach, our entire theatre network all across India does not have that kind of reach. उतने हमारे पास theatres नहीं हैं fit that kind of population. So the access is amazing. दूसरी बात ये है कि uniqueness of content. हर इंसान अपनी पर्सनालिटी को दर्शा रहा है. जब मैं फैजू का कंटेंट देखता हूँ तो इट्स वेरी डिफरेंट. He's got his own chap on it. When I see Sana's content, she's got her chap on it. And there are so many galaxies of little stars like this coming up across and being loved and being so popular on social media. They're doing things that are topical, that are funny, that are emotional. कभी philosophy झाड़ देते हैं, कभी inspiration. So it's kind of amazing to see that. And Josh is giving them a platform. And today, this awards night is huge because it's a validation of that. And they're getting to interact with some industry veterans. They're getting to work with people like Kunal and Farah, and these are people who've established a foothold in the industry and made their mark here. So ऐसे लोगों की एक mentorship मिल रही है. And of course, I think the biggest thing, the most exciting thing that I think all of us sitting over here are slightly jealous about. थोड़ी सी जलन हम लोगों को भी हो रही है कि the winner gets to go to the Oscars, yeah. Actually go there and sit at the Oscar Awards, and that's phenomenal. Imagine that journey for a young kid from any part of India. उसने एक वीडियो बनाया, वीडियो सुपर हिट हो गया, आज वो जीत गया ग्रैंड प्राइज और वो ऑस्कर्स जाएगा. What an amazing journey that will be.
Thanks, Vivek.
गोवा बहुत सुंदर जगह है. I think हिंदुस्तान में, दुनिया में कोई भी जब गोवा कहता है तो अपने आप चेहरे पे मुस्कुराहट आ जाती है गोवा का नाम लेते ही. All of us feel happy being in Goa, चाहे वो एक दिन के लिए ही हो. कंप्लेंट यही होती है कि एक दिन के लिए क्यों, एक हफ्ते के लिए क्यों. तो गोवा में एक जादू वैसे भी है. कल्चरली बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग हब क्रिएशन हो रहा है यहाँ पे. बहुत सारे लोग वैसे भी आर्टिस्ट पसंद करते हैं गोवा में आना. लेकिन इस तरह से जिस तरह से आप बता रहे हैं, JFlix का फेस्टिवल गोवा में हुआ है, इफ़ी होगा, काफ़ी सालों से होते आ रहा है. तो ऐसे सब फेस्टिवल्स करने से कल्चरल ग्रोथ भी बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग हो रही है. और यहाँ पे बहुत लोगों की नज़र पड़ रही है that Goa is a good place to go for creating a competition like this or an awards night or something fun. Goa means fun.